Making money with Google Translate directly isn't a traditional method of income, but it can be leveraged to build businesses or services that generate revenue. Here's how you can use Google Translate to make money. Translation services. Use Google Translate as a tool to assist in translating content for clients. While it's not perfect, it can help you translate basic text for websites, blogs, documents, or marketing materials. Offer paid translation services to clients who need content translated into different languages. While Google Translate helps speed up the process, you can focus on quality control and refinement. Language tutoring. If you're multilingual, you can use Google Translate as a supplementary tool to teach languages. Provide lessons or tutoring sessions and offer translation help to students learning new languages. You can promote this service on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Content creation. Create multilingual content on your blog or YouTube channel, targeting various language audiences. Use Google Translate to help translate content into different languages. With increased traffic from different regions, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content.